Prior to spraying, clean off any dust and oils on the speaker box with a damp cloth. Spray directly out of the bottle with the recommended RA88 spray gun. Adjust the nozzle prior to spraying to ensure proper thickness of the coating and no overspray. Spray in 2 applications and allow the coating to dry to the touch between applications. There is no mixing or shaking required prior to spraying. Roll-on coating ensuring 100% coverage and apply a minimum of 2 coats. Tekton 77 can be cleaned with water when wet or removed mechanically when dried.